Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a Loveworld special, Beautiful. I'm going to be playing it in the key of C. All right, so this is chord 1, as you already know. It starts on the 4. So it starts on the 4 to 1, and then you play a 6 and then a 5. So 4 1 6 5 for the very first progression or first part of the song. So again 4 1 6 5, then 4 6 and then 5 again. Then the next part you do a 2. So it's a 2 6 5 for the next part of the song. Then again, I bless you, you're worthy of our praise. There's a chord 5, but I'm playing a suspended chord. All right. Okay. So this is a sus 2 actually, not a sus 4. This is a C sus 2. Okay. So yeah, but for G it's gonna be a sus 4 because this is a 4 in G. All right. But we're playing it in the key of C. All right. So from the beginning again, 4. That's 5. Then you move to a 2. Again. So 6 5 4 and then 5 2 2 again. Then the sovereign God, sovereign of salvation. That part is similar to the first part of the song. It's a 4 1 6 5. Then Most High God in all the earth. Now the Most High God, you could do 1 instead of the 6. So Most High God in all the earth. So 1 4 1 6 5 4 1 and then to 5. Then you do Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus. That's 2. Then you do a 6 5. So 6 5. Lord Jesus, you are for the last one. When they're about to sing the last one, you don't do a 6. You just do a chord 5, but you suspend it Then the last one. I worship you forever, Lamb of God. Then it repeats again, Lord Jesus, you are beautiful, Lord Jesus. Da-da-da-da-da. Lord Jesus. Da-da-da-da-da. Lord Jesus. Da-da-da. All right, so with this, you should be able to play the song beautiful. Thank you for being a part of this tutorial.